Welcome to the 450 DSA Cracker Series. We have done 14 questions right now, and our next question is next permutation. Today is 21st May, and we are on the streak of 15 days or of 450 DSA Cracking Series. We will do it and grab our best placement possible. So let's head on to the next question. Next permutation. Hmm. So basically, what is next permutation? Like a permutation of an array of integer. So what is the problem statement? It is a LeetCode platform where we are doing this problem, and this is one of the most important problems for your interviews. So let's head on to the problem statement. A permutation of an array of integer is an arrangement of its members into the sequence of linear order. Okay. For example, if an array is given 1, 2, 3, the following are the permutations of array 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 3, 1, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 2, 1. So, this is the format, this is the sorted array format for this array. What is a sorted array format or a lexicographic order? It is also called a lexicographic order. So what is a lexicographic order? Like it should be going in an increasing form. For example, if an array is given, like here it is given 1 comma 2 comma 3, so you have to look it like not like 1 2 3, like you have to look it like 123. Okay, so what is the next biggest number you can form with this array is 132. So next sorted array is 1 comma 3 comma 2. What is the next big number you can form with this? 213. So what is the next order is like 2 comma 1 comma 3. And what is the next biggest number you can form with this? 231. Then next sorted array will be 2 comma 3 comma 1. What is the next number you can make with this? 312. It will be 3 comma 1 comma 2. And what is the last and not last biggest number you can form with this is 321, which will form an array like 3 comma 2 comma 1. Okay, so this is in this way you can form the different arrays with a given array. And how can you get that? We can get like 6 arrays only. As it is given that it is a permutation, so we have to find 3 factorial, that is equal to 6. Hence it can form a 6 combinations. That is a basically approach for this problem statement. And the meaning of the lexicographic order is that it does not depends on the numbers, but it depends on the individual digits. Like lexicographic order means let me tell you in 1 second what is lexicographic order is. it is a it is like a dictionary order, the way strings or arrays are sorted. Okay, so in this we just do sorting in this way. First step is to generally sort the array and form all kind of permutations it has. Second step is to we will do recursion. And third, we will get the next permutation of the given array. Means if the given array is 1 2 3, the next permutation will be 1 3 2. And if the given array is 3 2 1, the next permutation will be cannot be formed, then it will get us back to 1 2 3. So we will find the next permutation as it is given in the problem statements. Let's head on to the question again, and we will apply here a brute force approach to solve this problem. Let's start solving this problem statement. Let me first complete the code, and then I will explain you how I got this. Okay, so basically here class is defined, and function is also defined. And here it is told that do not return anything, modify nums in place instead. Okay, so first we have to I is equal to length nums minus 2 while I is greater than equal to 0 and nums I greater than equal to minus 1 equal to, then we'll again form a loop if I is greater than equal to 0 means j is equal to ln nums minus 1 then we will reverse the subarray from I1 plus 2 end by using left comma right equal to I plus 1 comma len nums minus 1 So in this way we have done our coding. Let's check it passes all test cases or not. Yes, it is passing all test cases. Let us understand our procedure step by step. What I have done in this: first I have defined a class. Define this step defines the class named solution. In next steps we have defined the method of next permutation that takes a list of the integer nums and modifies it in the place. What does this mean? This means that a doc string that clarifies the method should modify nums directly without returning anything. In the next step, we have defined I is equal to len nums. Start from the second to last index because we will compare each element with the one after it. Then we have defined a loop, that is while I is greater and nums I is greater equal to nums I plus 1. This means we move the left while the current number is greater than or equal to the number after it. This finds the first dip from the right. In the next step, what we did, we have also in step 2 in this we have used again a loop. If I is greater than or equal to 0, only proceed if decreasing element was found, no last permutation. Then we have defined the length of j, start from the end to find the element greater than nums I, while nums j is less than or equal to nums I. Then we have decremented the j by 1, move the left until we find the first number that is greater than nums. Then we have swapped it by using nums I nums j equal to nums j nums I. In this way we can swap the elements if they are compared and found that they are smaller. And in the last step we have reversed the sub array from I plus 1 to the end. After the swap, the suffix right of I is still in descending order. Reversing it gives the smallest possible order, that is a lexicographically smallest order that is possible. The classic two pointer reversal of sub array. This is the classic two pointer reversal of sub array. This ensures the suffix becoming in ascending order, finalizing the next permutation. In this way we can find the next permutation of the given array 1 2 3 as it is given in the first test case nums equal to 1 2 3. We can find the next permutation of the sub array of the array, that is 1 3 2, according to our sorted the permutation. And you can also refer the Striver series. He made this solution very well. I also prefer him. You can go through it. Let's check the code while submitting that it passes all test cases or not. And hence we have completed this in our first attempt, almost taken 15 minutes, and we have completed and we have passed like all test cases, submissions, solutions, editorial accepted, submission. You can see here your solution. Thank you and have a nice day. Follow for more. We will complete this 450 DSA Cracker series as soon as possible, but it will take like a year to complete this, but we will end up in very good job. Thank you.